Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're watching this on Instagram, hit that follow button. If you're watching this on YouTube, hit that subscribe button so you never miss another video. If you're watching this on TikTok, follow me. This is my pink cut crease. I used 5 different shades like the viral eyeshadow hack, but I did it as a cut crease. If you guys want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. I won't be doing a voiceover, and all the steps that I used, all products used will be in my description box. If you have any questions, let me know. If you want to do a makeup theme collab with me, hit me up in my DMs or leave a comment, and I will be posting some fall looks soon, as well as Halloween and breast cancer awareness month is coming up soon. Love you guys so much. Appreciate all the love and support. Let's go! Alright guys, there you have it. Here's a completed look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video, which will be my purple cut crease. As always, I appreciate all the love and support. Stay safe everybody. Love you guys. Bye!